This is the ARES 3 in always-on mode, or flip a wrist and you're back into one of several different watch faces showing you incredible capabilities on this really large, nice smartwatch. You've got control over all kinds of things, Bluetooth calling, find your phone, brightness levels, extends over a large level here. It's beautiful outdoors, nice and bright. You've got your step count information for the day, and it's broken down in detail here, combined with steps per hour, combined with your last 7 days of information regarding your walking. You've got heart rate. You can also look at your heart rate zone that you're currently in, your current 24-hour heart rate, and your average heart rate for the day. Last night's sleep time, you want that, and your 7-day average is in here. Here's your weather forecast in Fahrenheit, centigrade, and your current weather conditions. A music player that will remotely play music through the watch because it has Bluetooth calling and Bluetooth music capability in this one. Here's your different walking, running, hiking, all your different activities, which of course you can get to through the bottom button as well. From the top button, you can turn it off, go back into always on or nothing. You can set all that stuff up if you like. And from this one, you get into all the different apps, including a compass on this watch, which is really sweet. We just found that out. Come back in here again, take it back to the top. You've got lots and lots of things. Of course, you've got messages, sleep time, blood pressure, blood oxygen, workouts. You even have all your telephone contacts. Voice assistant is in this one too. Workout records. It just goes on and on. It's a really nice watch. It's well built, nice rubberized band. And again, it has Bluetooth calling capability and a nice large screen. 3 buttons on here with an active rotating knob. Very sweet. It's called the ARES 3. Check it out.